A mom is looking up a recipe for tonight's dinner. A family shopping for groceries for the week's meals. A young family watching cooking shows in the evening. This is the audience that Gourmet Ads reaches every day, at their moment of purchase intent. For nearly 2 decades, Gourmet Ads has been the world leader in food advertising solutions. We've helped thousands of food, grocery, and CPG brands connect with real shoppers where intent is strongest, when they're thinking about food, planning meals, and shopping ingredients. No matter if your product is sold in physical stores or e-commerce marketplaces, we make it simple for advertisers to reach their ideal audience at scale. From local brands to global household names, we deliver precision and performance across every digital channel. Whether it's on a screen, a tablet, a TV, or a smart speaker, at the kitchen table, in the living room watching a cooking show, or driving to the grocery store listening to a food podcast, Gourmet Ads keeps your brand front and center during every moment of intent. Our campaigns appear in premium environments where food decisions are made. Recipe sites, grocery publishers, food apps, and streaming channels watched in millions of kitchens and living rooms. The result? Measurable performance, stronger brand recall, and smarter use of every advertising dollar. Gourmet Ads, where brands meet relevance, scale, and performance.